Hey guys, in this Apple AirTag guide, I will detail how to remove battery from AirTag. So if you want to remove your Apple AirTag battery, maybe you're on a vacation and you don't want to go along with your Apple AirTag and you no longer have the AirTag tab, then this video is going to walk you through how to remove your battery from your Apple AirTag. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to remove battery from Apple AirTag, all you just need to do is get your AirTag just like this. Then press and hold it and put it like this. Then you should see the AirTag opened. Then once it opens, go ahead, remove the AirTag battery. Then if you want to change the battery, replace it with your new battery. So here is the Apple AirTag battery. Then if you want to change the battery, just go ahead and then replace it with a new battery. So once you replace the new battery, you just need to go ahead and then close the Apple AirTag battery again. Like this. Then go ahead, take note of these 3 clips on the Apple AirTag battery cover and make sure it is positioned into the hole of the AirTag like this. Then go ahead and then close it by turning it clockwise. Then you see that? So if you try to open it, it's not gonna be able to open again. So that is basically how to remove battery from Apple AirTag. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.